Welcome, everyone. Today's story is truly heartwarming and shows a different side of one of the world's most talked about families, the Kardashians. While they're often in the headlines for their glamorous lifestyles, this Thanksgiving, the famous family turned their spotlight towards something far more meaningful, helping others in need. This year, before gathering for their traditional Thanksgiving dinner, the Kardashian-Jenner family came together to help feed over 5,000 people in their community. Yes, you heard that right, 5,000. The family joined forces with local organizations to make sure families in need could enjoy a warm meal during the holiday season. According to sources close to the family, Kim, Kourtney, Khloé, Kendall, Kylie, and even Kris Jenner herself were all hands-on during the event. Each of them took on different roles, from serving food to personally handing out meals and greeting families with smiles and hugs. Many people who attended the event shared how touched they were to see the Kardashians interacting so warmly and genuinely. Kim Kardashian, known for her advocacy work and law reform efforts, reportedly helped organize part of the outreach. She shared how grateful she was to give back, emphasizing that Thanksgiving isn't just about having a feast, but about sharing love, compassion, and kindness. Kim also encouraged her followers to find ways to help their own communities, no matter how big or small the effort. Khloé Kardashian was said to be deeply moved by the experience, especially after speaking with several single mothers who came to pick up meals. She shared that gratitude and empathy are at the core of the holiday, reminding everyone that sometimes the smallest act of kindness can make a huge difference in someone's life. Meanwhile, Kourtney Kardashian Barker and her husband Travis Barker reportedly brought along their children to teach them the importance of giving back. Kourtney mentioned that she wants her kids to understand that gratitude goes beyond what's on the table. It's about community and caring for others. Kendall and Kylie Jenner, the youngest of the family, also participated with enthusiasm. Kylie, who's now balancing motherhood and business, was seen helping distribute food packages while chatting warmly with volunteers. Kendall, always graceful and kind, used her platform to highlight the volunteers' hard work, sharing behind-the-scenes glimpses on social media to inspire others to do the same. And of course, the family matriarch Kris Jenner was their leading by example. She reportedly coordinated much of the event's logistics and made sure everything ran smoothly. Kris expressed how proud she was of her children for continuing the family's tradition of giving back, saying that kindness and gratitude are the true values she hopes to pass down through generations. After the large-scale food distribution event, the Kardashians gathered together at one of their homes to celebrate Thanksgiving privately. Sources say it was a warm and cozy evening filled with laughter, family time, and reflection on the day's success. Even though the family is used to luxurious celebrations, this year, the focus was clearly on community, gratitude, and togetherness. Fans across social media praised the family for their charitable efforts. Many commented that it was refreshing to see the Kardashians use their fame to make a positive impact. Videos and photos of the event quickly went viral, showing smiling faces, shared meals, and heartfelt moments that captured the true essence of the holiday spirit. In a world where so many headlines focus on drama and luxury, this Thanksgiving story is a reminder that compassion and generosity never go out of style. The Kardashians' initiative to help feed thousands truly shows that giving back can be the most beautiful way to celebrate the season. What do you think about the Kardashians' Thanksgiving act of kindness? Did this surprise you or inspire you in any way? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so more people can hear about this beautiful act of giving. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone, and remember, kindness is the best gift you can give.